Looking for a simple solution to create landing pages and sales funnels? Let's dive into a quick overview of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a user-friendly drag-and-drop funnel builder tailored for marketers and entrepreneurs alike. You can effortlessly create landing pages, sales pages, order forms, and even full-fledged websites without any coding skills required. This platform is perfect for selling products, offering online courses, or collecting leads from potential customers. With a wide array of templates available, ClickFunnels ensures that even beginners can easily design attractive pages. Its powerful automation tools can significantly streamline your marketing efforts, saving you precious time and energy. If you're genuinely committed to boosting your online sales, ClickFunnels is a tool you should seriously consider exploring. You'll find that the ease of use combined with effective marketing features makes it a great choice for your business. Why not take advantage of the free trial offer? It's a fantastic way to evaluate whether ClickFunnels meets your unique business needs. From crafting the perfect sales funnel to optimizing your customer journey, the possibilities are virtually endless with ClickFunnels. Join the community of successful marketers using ClickFunnels to transform their ideas into profitable online ventures. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this platform can help elevate your business to the next level. Don't miss out on the opportunity to simplify your online sales process and increase your revenue with ClickFunnels. Sign up today and unlock the potential to create high-converting funnels that drive sales and engagement.